Hello and welcome again to a new episode from Spice and Easy Kitchen. We wish you always to be in the best condition. Today's recipe is steamed chicken with vegetables. We will need the following ingredients. I have 1 chicken and half a squeezed lemon and 2 tablespoons of traditional oil. I also have 3 cloves of garlic and a mix of coriander and parsley, which is 4 tablespoons in total, 2 parsley and 2 coriander. For the spices, I have a little thyme and 1 small spoon of turmeric and 1 small incomplete spoon of black pepper and a light sprinkle, about a 1/4 teaspoon or less just to enhance the flavor. We do not want the ginger taste to overpower the chicken. I will take the coriander, parsley, and garlic and add the lemon. Then I add the spices mentioned earlier and 2 tablespoons of traditional oil and mix everything. I start seasoning the chicken with this mixture. I have less than 1 chicken here, but the quantities are for a whole one. Cut it into pieces like this. Then season it well. Cover the chicken and let it absorb the marinade. Leave it for half an hour, then prepare the vegetables. These vegetables will accompany the chicken. After resting the chicken for half an hour, I have washed rice. I drain the water and let it soak. For 15 to 20 minutes to make it fluffy and not sticky, so I leave it to soak. I boil water in a pot and do not add too much. So the chicken does not become bland, and I add bay leaves and half an onion cut into pieces. Then I add the chicken. I add the chicken. I pour the remaining marinade over it. And add some lemon peel on top. It gives a nice flavor to the chicken. Cover and let it steam for 20 minutes. For the vegetables, I have 2 potatoes, a small zucchini and 3 carrots. Adjust quantities depending on your family. Add salt, and a little traditional oil. You can also use extra chermoula if preferred. I forgot to add salt to the chicken and corrected it. Sorry, sometimes we forget. Now I mix the vegetables. I also have a medium onion. I add salt and a little oil. This method gives great results, and the lemon peel adds a distinctive flavor. This is also suitable for a lighter option. You can reduce spices as you prefer. After 20 minutes. I add the carrots. Then the potatoes. And the zucchini on one side. And the onion. I add it on top. Cover the pot and cook until done. Now we prepare the rice. Place a pot on the heat. And add a spoon of butter. Let it melt. Add the rice that was washed and soaked. Salt the rice. Add salt. And mix until it absorbs the butter. Add water. 1½ bowls. Cover and cook. Until ready. The rice is cooked, so I add lemon peel. Just a small amount to enhance the flavor. Stir. And turn off the heat. The chicken is ready. We serve it. Let the rice rest for 5 to 10 minutes. Sew the grains separate. This is the final result. Chicken with rice and vegetables. I placed it in a cake mold and decorated it with red pepper and parsley, and oil with a few drops of lemon, to give it shine, so it does not look dull. This is the final look. Decorate with lemon on top. Decoration is optional. I hope you liked the recipe. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and enable the bell